Hey family.
Shit.
You can say it with
me. I
me.
ain't saying shit. Go on, man. I got too much my you.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have pizza bagel. They're probably saying, what are you gonna use to make pizza next? You never know.
You never know what you might use. You know, first lady got the blueprint.
The blueprint. Well, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. I might have one for you tomorrow. Okay, so what's on the menu is shrimp Alfredo pizza bagel. Shrimp Alfredo pizza bagel. And then I have pepperoni and bacon on my side. And we have some wings here, some buffalo wings that we have put in the air fryer and make them nice and to perfection.
Yeah, air fryer look like I want to burn up a wing them one.
Whatever. And then Richie has the same thing, shrimp Alfredo pizza bagel, and then in the front he has turkey pepperoni.
Turkey pepperoni, make sure y'all know that.
And then we have some ranch dipping sauce in here, and then you know we have the first lady cup in the building.
First lady in the building, no more cheapest water bottle. It's out of stock. Yeah.
So I'm drinking a ginger ale because you know you can't have pizza without some kind of soda. So I decided to get ginger ale. You know I love Coca-Cola.
Yeah, they said I only give them a little piece of food before I to take a big bite.
How does that look, guys?
It looks good. It's gonna taste better. I don't know what you got with these things.
Oh, thank you.
All I know, I'm munching.
I want to taste the shrimp Alfredo one first. The kids have said it is delicious. They said it's so good.
Put something on my thing. It does taste good. I ain't gonna lie, that shrimp is hitting, B. It does.
That is good.
We have everybody bagel. Remember the bagel called? Everybody?
That is really good.
Really good.
My first time making it. It's not hard to make either. Just make Alfredo sauce. Please don't buy it out of the can. Making Alfredo sauce is so easy. Trust me.
Tell them.
And I got some shrimps. And you don't need a lot. Probably have like 6 shrimps. And I chopped it up. Put some Cajun seasoning. Toss it in some butter. Put the Alfredo sauce that I made from scratch on the bagel. Put some cheese. Put the shrimp on top. Put it in the oven.
Alright. That's good.
It is really good. Wow, it is really good. It is really good.
Nice one.
I don't know why I didn't expect for it to be that good.
No.
But how can you go wrong?
It does taste good.
It's cheese, shrimp, Alfredo sauce. It's just like if you had
bread.
And the bread.
Yeah, everybody right go.
Like if you had shrimp Alfredo and then you had the bread on the side. It's the same thing.
Wow.
Ooh.
It's good. They're just like the bread inside of the garlic bread.
That's true.
This is good.
You can even use the garlic bread to make this instead of the the bagel.
Richie in the building. You already know what it is.
Look at the dried cheese. Oh!
Cheapest water bottle is shut down.
Oh!
Woo!
You finish with the man. Are you dipping it?
It's really good.
When you dip, I dip, you dip?
It's really good, man.
Yeah.
You could even use the ranch sauce as the base.
As the base. Check you out.
I'm a chef, son.
How was the wings? They said I burned up in the air fryer.
No, air fry butter is not burn. It's perfect.
That's what I'm saying, because it just looked like that because of the buffalo sauce.
Sauce, yeah.
Yeah.
The wings is not burned, so don't even say it. It's the buffalo sauce and we threw it in the air fryer, so what?
I did not make these wings. Didn't I got time for that? I actually bought this from Publix. Publix had the best wings.
And then Chewy had the buffalo sauce, you know.
Yeah. It's perfect.
It's good.
It's perfect.
It's the wings. It's a buffalo sauce that I had it. That's why I got it.
So it's not dry.
It's dry.
Well, okay. We do like dry wings.
My pepperoni, turkey pepperoni, to be exact. Yeah.
We do like our wings dry, but not burnt.
Why did you bring fuller pizza? You know, eat the rest of these and do that. Cause I can't eat the pork one.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
Why are you going for pizza? You didn't eat one.
I will make this like a snack.
It's nice.
Matter of fact, I have some leftover Alfredo sauce. I'm just gonna put in the container and I'm gonna saute some shrimp because I have a little bit left. Put in the container, then the kids them can just make one when they come from school.
It's nice. Excuse me. Family, how y'all doing? Where we at? Oh, man. That's good. That's good, Tom. Oh, it's good? Good so far, okay? We hear you.
Wow.
Glad you're doing good. Okay? Enjoy life.
Losing a shrimp.
Family. You see how these people came down to Florida?
Foot.
You have been in Florida? These people acting like there's no pandemic going on.
Like there's no pandemic.
They're turning up in South Beach.
For sure.
I've been living in Florida from 2004 and I've never been to South Beach. And I live here and I used to live close to there too and I've never been there. But trust me, what I'm missing?
I don't know, but they say when you're Floridian, that stuff doesn't really entice you.
Yeah.
It's like living in New York and you've never been to the Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty, that's true.
Because you're like, you see it when you're you know, driving, so you're like, oh, okay, depending on where you go. I'm like, okay, I've seen it. I don't gotta be that close. I went to South Beach once.
I've never been here. Family, what movie is this? I can see the Statue of Liberty already. You know that?
No.
Don't peek.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, that is one of your favorite movies too, which is weird.
Tell me what movie that's from. They will never know. But yeah, they came there and turned up. Now they have curfew, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Yeah. Family, seen some videos. That thing was crowded.
Crowded in the word.
No mask.
It was. When they show pictures of South Beach on the beach, you couldn't even see the sand. All you saw was people. I thought they got rid of the sand.
For real, that's how thick it was.
Yeah.
It's real. So now, y'all planning vacation to come to South Beach? Curfew. 8 o'clock. Y'all don't come. Y'all gonna turn up in your hotel.
Exactly. All you can do is eat breakfast and lunch and go to your yard. I'm
just telling y'all, you're planning. They just
doesn't make any sense.
No. Why would they do that anyway?
Exactly. They all came here because that's the only place that's open.
For real?
In the United States. You can't go to California because that's shut down. Shut down. You know? So the next best place is Miami.
Yep.
I'm gonna need at Miami.
Yeah, they came and turned up.
They sure
They
did.
turned up until they turned it down. Family, I don't go down to Nassau Beach. The furthest I ever go down to down south is to the Miami game. The first day should be there anymore. I've never been there.
One time.
People be killing themselves for it.
I know. The beaches are overcrowded, overpopulated.
Yeah.
The streets are overcrowded. It just maybe because we're from New York.
Yeah.
We've been there, done that with the crowd. We don't really like crowds like that anymore.
Huh?
We really don't.
Yeah. We missed the parade. Remember? But yeah. That's under the news for y'all. You know, I never know.
Manyamoy.
I think bagel for your class, huh?
You're full, huh?
Bagel.
Bruja.
Not gonna eat non-food. I get food.
Yeah. I bet you for some jerk chicken or all kind of stuff. You eat it.
But I made the pizza, but I might not eat yours.
Because it's a lot of bread.
Bread.
You can't take the crust off of this one.
You know, first I got name it.
Exactly. When you ate the waffle pizza, full crust.
So, fam, what y'all getting into today? Same old. Why you keep asking? So I ask them the same thing and they keep telling me the same thing. Working.
They working?
Some of them work from home. Some of them working, some of them traveling.
Yeah?
Different places, yeah.
When this is all said and done, right?
Where do you want to want to go?
The company, that's a good question, my love. The company that you work for the people who are working from home,
Yeah.
now that you've gotten a taste of working from home, do you think that you would say to your company, I want to continue working from home? Or do you miss socializing with your co-workers and stuff like that and
That's a good question.
dressing up?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
People, me personally, my place never shut down. People get used to working at home right now. They don't even I don't think they want to go back.
I know.
They just used to it. I don't. That's crazy. You would have never. It's crazy. But what we got? What y'all want to do?
Oh, what's your question, honey?
What?
Like, when it's all said and done, where's the...
Yeah. When it's all said and done, whenever it's done, what's the first place I want to visit?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I'm going to Dubai. Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai money.
You do. You're my husband.
We're gonna go to Dubai.
You want to go to Dubai? I want to go to Asia. I want to go to China. Okay? Where's I want to go? Oh, I want to go to Costa Rica. I heard that's nice.
I'm going to Jamaica and never find live food.
Hey, please.
Be a fruit. It's solid, huh?
It's solid.
Where's the cheese on the bottom?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Say that one for me. Family, this bagel bread, it's a lot of dough.
Yeah.
You know, you original pizza has so much dough.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can thin it out. It's called thin bagel.
Yeah?
What you do is you if you have two bagels,
I didn't know that.
if you have one bagel, you cut it in half, and then you just cut the next one, you know, and you cut it.
Right, I didn't know they got that. They got everything, son.
And some people like their bagels to be scooped, where they take all the dough out in the middle,
Yeah.
so that it's just like the crust. That would be a good idea.
What?
If you're gonna make this. Excuse me. See?
Thick.
If you scoop out this, I'm sorry, honey.
No, I can.
Oh. If you scoop it out, then the cheese will go in the holes, and then the cheese won't come off of the bagel. You understand?
I appreciate every one of y'all.
We are almost to 3,000 subscribers.
For all the people that's watching and not subscribing, but y'all watching, subscribe now. We waiting.
Get us there. Get us there.
Okay, good job. Get us there. Get us there. Trust me.
You know, they say on average a person will watch several of your videos before they even subscribe.
I let them say that. We appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to holler at me and First Lady, our stuff is in the description. Instagram, email, our P.O Box, size small, and 30 pound skinny. That's me.
God.
So, holler at us. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You see the beggy?
Beggy like chop me car here. What kind of person here? Me call you know. Yo.
No, sir.
And your friend there go, we love Belgium.
I'm full.
You full? Wow! I got them. I got you.
You scared them too?
Yes, I got you. Got you.
They probably did jump in.
There jump. Alright, probably I got one for y'all. For y'all good people. Full First Lady? Alright.
It's a lot of bagel.
Alright, baby, the bagel healthy one. Everybody said, damn, I gotta go to work. Shit, I don't gotta go to work.
Oh, that's good.
Family.
Oops, sorry.
First Lady.
I hit the camera.
Family, listen. Everything you do brings you further and closer to where you want to be. Choose wisely. Again, family, everything you do will bring you closer and further to where you want to be. Choose wisely.
That's very true. Come on.
Yeah. Full? Excuse me. We appreciate y'all. Thanks for joining us, where we have a conversation about anything we talk about, whatever comes to our mind. But for all the new subscribers, appreciate y'all. And the old family members, we appreciate y'all too. If you reach this far, give us a thumbs up. And you know what that means. So, we are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
NYC in the building.
You see this pizza? Somebody's outside waiting for it.
Family, you know how long I had this hat? How long I had this hat now? From you was before you got pregnant, right?
Yeah, 2005.
Damn, 2005, we're in 15 years. I look at my joint, still crispy.